In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders in Google Keep. Whether you're trying to remember important tasks, set alerts for upcoming meetings, or simply keep your thoughts organized, Google Keep offers a simple and effective way to schedule reminders. Let's walk through the steps to make sure you never miss anything important again. First, you'll want to start by accessing Google Apps. You can do this from any Google service page like Gmail or Drive by clicking the grid icon usually found at the top right of your screen. It's the icon that looks like a small square block of 9 dots. Once you've done this, a menu will appear, displaying all of the Google apps available to you. Next, navigate through the menu to locate Keep. Google Keep should be among the icons displayed. It's often symbolized by a light bulb icon. Click on this icon to open Google Keep. If you're having any trouble finding it, remember that the apps are usually arranged alphabetically, which can help speed up your search process. Now that you're in Google Keep, you'll see a list of your notes. If you haven't created notes before, this space might be empty, prompting you to start jotting down ideas or lists. Select one of the existing notes that you want to set a reminder for. The notes are displayed in a grid or list format depending on how you have your view set up, and you can click on any note box to open it. Within the note, look towards the bottom and you'll see icons that allow you to perform various functions. Find the bell icon among them. This bell represents reminders, and when you click on it, you'll be prompted to create a new reminder for that specific note. If you inadvertently click the wrong icon, don't worry. Simply close it and select the bell icon again. Once you click on the bell icon, you'll have the opportunity to set your reminder. A window will pop up giving you options to set the date and time for your reminder. You can simply follow the prompts to adjust these settings. There's flexibility here, so don't hesitate to set different dates or times based on your specific schedule. After setting the date, you might decide you need a different time than the one automatically suggested. You can change the time to suit your availability perfectly. Maybe mornings work best for you, or you prefer reminders at the end of the day. Just click on the time to make any adjustments. Once you've decided when you'd like to be reminded, the final step is to click on the Save button. This will secure your settings and ensure that Google Keep knows exactly when to alert you. And that's it, you've successfully set a reminder in Google Keep. This simple tool can make a significant difference